is Kimberly Jones, and I'm one of the presenters for the Equipping Kingdom Leaders workshop that is going to be held May 20th to 22nd in Dallas, Texas. And I just wanted to share with you a little bit about why I'm really excited to be one of the presenters at this workshop. I've been doing ministry for over 20 years, and the things that we're going to be teaching about at this workshop, I wish someone had walked me through these things at the beginning. I can only imagine what my leadership would be like, what my current leadership ministries would be like if I had learned this 20 years ago. And I just want to encourage you, because there's going to be so much that you're going to learn about how to flow with the Holy Spirit and your leadership. Whether you have a title or not is something that you are and are called to be. You have influence in so many different circles of your life. So if you want to learn how to grow in things like not understanding what Jesus says, what does Jesus say your giftings are? How do you overcome the fears that may be blocking you from growing in your own personal leadership? How can you involve the Lord in your problem solving? How can you get access to his creative strategies? Because he has so many strategies for whatever situation that you're dealing with. And it's really easy to connect to him and get those strategies for yourself. How do you diagnose and fix issues with the people that you're leading or the people in your sphere of influence? That's a big one. Team management, and even if you don't have a team, you have a group of friends, you have family members, you have circles that you have influence of over projects that you are involved in. And sometimes there are hiccups, and you can learn how to understand what those hiccups are and then how to work with the Lord to move past those hiccups. How to create with the Spirit, how to disciple people in living a lifestyle of abiding. So you'll learn how to live a lifestyle of abiding, and you'll learn how to help other people to live much more fruitful with the Holy Spirit, much more fruitful with Jesus, the Father, the whole Trinity, and how to abide with him, how to hear his voice, how to seek his face in some powerful, wonderful ways. You'll learn how to do it for yourself, and you'll learn how to teach other people to do it. And there's so much more. I haven't even covered half. I don't even know if I've covered a third. Those are just some of the things that were highlighted to me that popped out, but I would spend another 10 minutes on this video if I went through everything that you'll learn over those 3 days. So I just want to encourage you to pray and ask the Lord if this is the right opportunity for you. And if it is, I invite you to say yes to the invitation, because it's going to be amazing. And I hope to see you there. God bless.